these individuals love to gossip, and they complain. They love to complain as well, right? So the negative statements to the listener actually jeopardizes the listener's salvation as well. We
Say it
really
again.
don't think about that.
Say it again, please.
It does.
When we gossip with someone else, these negative words is impacting the listener's salvation as well. Yeah. And so
Big time.
because the enemy has taken a hold of our minds, because of our negative thought processes that we kind of live in every day, many times we don't even realize the damage that we're doing to that individual. And so we continue to kind of pass the baton. It's almost like passing a baton, like in a relay. We pass it on to her, then we pass it to her, and then the relay just continues, right? And so we're not now only damaging one individual, but now we're damaging an entire community. So this is one of the reasons why even our efforts to impact our community, impact our families, our generation is detrimental because of our love for gossip.